Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. I'm the my next video in the make money presentation. Just 5 to 10 minutes per hours, easily 100 to $100 to lot of dollar earning for this the make money. With the make money is a Canva that 1 to 10 system, 10 system easy income of online marketplace. Lot of marketplace the Canva design template sales Pinterest, tutors, the others market, others template, the any work of Canva, where does the make money. I'm the my channel is a second video presentation. Now the Canva is a very easy and simple system, very easy and simple system in the graphic design, same things. See my computer screen, you have this see then the Canva is a very simple and system or the graphic design the a lot of make money the 5 to 10 7 system 5 to 7 the 5 to 7 system more than 7 system is the earn of Canva is a first time is a Instagram of social media, Instagram social media YouTube. I'm first time offering the Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, and the Facebook cover, YouTube and LinkedIn banner is it 1 2 3 4 5 system. The one system is Instagram history. Instagram history is Instagram lot of template. This history is I'm same things open my design the one of Instagram history. Custom design. uh, 5 to 10 5 to 7 but more than 10 system income of online. The Canva is a very system, very easy simple or the online graphic design the lot of templates selling the marketplace, the Fiverr marketplace, Upwork marketplace, the another marketplace the selling the Canva template the lot of make money gain. You have this the system the one system is very easy, very easy system is the online graphic design is a Canva is a lot of template. You have this paid Canva, then uses the lot of money earned the site. So this Canva is a I'm same things is the Canva. Instagram is a lot of template, is a Canva. A lot of template is Canva, same thing is Canva. I'm the design, created design, the Instagram post, Instagram history. And a lot of videos in Instagram history. Wow, lot of video. The Canva paid Canva is a very sweet, very attractive, with the nicely videos is history created in Canva. Is same the one history. 1 or 2 minutes at 1 or 2 minutes is Canva. Just as a lot of history, same history. A lot of template uses of Canva, free lot of template uses, uh, more template. So nice and fantastic template, so nice and fantastic template is designed. The fruit design is Canva, is a restaurant history, social history, lot of template Canva. The Instagram history, the big make money of on the marketplace, the other marketplace use the sales Canva template. The second system Facebook post. Second system I'm the created design on the Facebook post. Facebook cover post is a Facebook lot of template, the lot of template. See all lot of template. Okay. Facebook cover page post, Facebook business page cover create, Facebook business love post create. The two system. One is the second system, Instagram post lot of template, Facebook template. I am the second design that create Instagram post template, Instagram post template. Instagram post template, love to happy new year Instagram template, happy new year Instagram template. The lot of template Instagram post, more total is a fashion template. The other system is the search of more button. There's the Pixabay and Pixabay and Pixel is a more certain. Your search bar is a fashion, fashion, lot of picture is presentation. The one picture or two picture is a very nice picture, nice picture is a template is a make is a template 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, very easy earn for this make money. You have this study and gain of skill of Canva is a lot of template. The lot of template uses is Canva post, Instagram post, Instagram history, and Facebook post, Facebook business page cover, Facebook post cover, etc. Lot of people, lot of design, lot of picture, lot of nice and beautiful and attractive picture uses in Canva, very simple and easy. So nice design, a fashionable design is 1 to 5 minutes just to gain more money and make money. 1 to 5 to 10 minutes easily use and Canva any design. And a lot of demand, lot of even more demandable. There's the Instagram post is a marketplace, Instagram camera template, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, YouTube banner, YouTube logo, lot of oil earned for this money and the make money. The Canva is a very easy system and simple system. How to any design create 5 to 10 minutes. Your gain make money or the marketplace, the lot of marketplace, the online marketplace. Just search to make just search the Google on Canva template sales site, Canva template sales. The how to Canva template sales, lot of site is Canva template sales, lot of people. Here's the video, the how to make money, that $2,000 is a month income Canva template, how to sell Canva template, beginning guides, and the 5 steps of selling the first Canva template, how to make money 5K to 30 days selling Canva template, how to sell Canva template, the prince is not expected, how to sell Canva template with the WordPress of make money, the creative Canva template, how to sell Canva template as you own the digital product, how to sell Canva template will get us the lot of site, the make money online income. This is the marketplace. You have just searched in Google the Canva template sales system. The lot of information gather is the Canva, which is the search of Google search bar. You're the guideline for Google, the lot of market, the worldwide market, the Canva template sale is said, the lot of make money. The Canva is a very easy and simple graphic design. I can choose and favorite my all freelancer in my country, the worldwide country, and a lot of template sellings market is the USA the first market, Canada second market, Australia third market, London fourth market. The lot of market, lot of people, your business development. This is the system easily, the no any design, the nice beautiful design, and lot of enjoyment day, festival day is the buying but template. Graphic design is a very system, important system, but is a Canva is a very easy and smoothly system. The uses Canva uses do a lot of gain make money the online, you are the Canva template selling the system. I am the only just for search www.google.com. You search the Canva template sales, lot of information, lot of site, lot of selling site. You're the guidelines of Canva, Canva. You have this often how to make money $2,000, $2,000+ monthly in Canva template, how to sell Canva template because it's got just making the 5 is just selling the first Canva template, how to make money 5K in the 30 days selling Canva template, how to sell Canva template prints, it's not product, the how to sell Canva template, WordPress make money Canva creative Canva template, the lot of oil, a lot of oil, the Canva template, Canva template save it. But everybody, the by I can request them, the freelancer people, you have the research, the Canva is a very big opportunity, the marketplace, the worldwide level, the marketplace, you are the any system, the Canva is a 5 to 10 minutes easy, any graphic design uses the five more system in the earn Canva. We have this very interesting and beautiful attractive the design, the just 5 to 10 minutes, the more make money on the search of the make money, or the users Google, the very easy and system simple oil is the Fiverr. Is a Fiverr, www.fiverr.com, upwork.com, pay per click, lot of site you have this, the a lot of make money site is the online. Fiverr is a Canva Instagram template, the make money of the searches, Canva design template is the make money the Fiverr marketplace. I am search of Canva design, the lot of seller, the sales gig presentation is the Fiverr marketplace. We have this the 70 products is the Instagram Canva template, Canva artist design template. I will design Canva template, lot of make money side. This the big income is the Canva design. I see the 1 gigs. You have this the 4 orders is Queen 290 to 292 complete is the Canva template. Your design Canva template your for the banner, and the basic is $40 is the standard is a $50, the premium is a $60. The more the lot of income, a lot of earning for this Canva. The very simple, very easy, or the all of people, all of the freelancer, all a lot of buyer, the very easy and simple marketplace. And Fiverr, the Fiverr the others marketplace the sell. You have this the sell Canva template, any social media design, YouTube banner design, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, business card, ebook cover, etc. Lot of design that you provide this Canva. You're easily and just for paid Canva uses lot of money earn and lot of make money earn. The Canva is a very system that I can request them, the all freelancer, newly freelancer, the whole world. You have the make money gain the lot monthly $1 to $5,000, $1 to $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. I have this income, the Canva marketplace. So thank you very much. Welcome to my KMIT Institute, my make money videos. I am presentation my second videos. First videos make money, the second videos I can request them the newly year 2000. Welcome to 2022. I am trying in the weekly or monthly 2 or 3 make money videos, my channel presentation. You have this new visitor my channel, please subscribe the bell button. And old visitor, thank you very much my watching my video, the lot of thanks. You can support them, my channel. I am the hopefully there's the created and videos making and make money. Lot of thanks, again. Thanks the new viewers, the old viewers, new audience and old audience, the my countries viewers, others country viewers, USA, Canada, Australian viewers. I can presentation the make money video. I'm trying in the 2020 2022 is the new year. I can promise you have this the grateful, you have the grateful make money video presentation my channel. my KMIT Institute just for is a learning channel. KMIT Institute is a learning channel. I can my channel is lot of viewer the out of country, USA, Canada, and Australian visitor. I can the out of country visitor. Now this is my KMIT Institute is a learning channel. The lot of videos provide lot of videos provide the marketplace, the lot of work, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, Instagram marketing, the lot of skills, the search engine optimization, YouTube, Fiverr, etc, etc. Lot of video presentation my channel. So thank you very much the new viewers. You have visit my channel, please subscribe button, press and the notification button. The old viewers, very thank you very much. You have see my videos. So thank you very much. Stop this my videos. Thank you very much, my all audience, my all viewers. Assalamu alaikum, Allah hafiz, the goodbye.